Hello, it's Janelle from Toyota of Bourbonnais here with the all-new 2021 Toyota Highlander. This happens to be the limited edition. It is powered by a 3.5 V6 engine with 295 horsepower. As we take a glance at this vehicle, it has the 20-inch alloy wheels, with all-season tires. It also has the LED lights that wrap around the vehicle. It has the honeycomb grille on this one. It does have the Toyota Safety Sense that comes standard with this vehicle. The Safety Sense is your lane departure alert, your radar cruise, your automatic high beams, and most importantly, your pre-collision systems. It also has 8 airbags, anti-lock brakes, and vehicle stability control that comes standard on this vehicle. Since this is a Platinum, it also has sensors in both the front and the rear of the vehicle, so if you get close to an object, it will beep at you. And if you do not apply brake pressure, it will to try to prevent or at least lessen the severity of the accident. As we look at the lines in the vehicle, they're swooping lines to give it a sharp, crisp look, and the fit and finish on this vehicle is unbelievable. This has the turn signals in the outside mirrors. It also has cameras underneath. It also has a smart key system. So when you walk up to the vehicle, if the key is in your pocket, it will unlock the doors. If you touch the lines, it will lock the doors. It also has the push button start, integrated leather. This is perforated, so it has heated and cooled seats that come standard on the Platinum Edition. It also has the big 12.3 screen in the middle. It has a digital rear view mirror with a panoramic sunroof. It also has 5 USB ports, so you can plug in your phones and your occupants can plug theirs in as well. Since this is the Platinum Edition, it does have the captain's chairs. In the other models that are available, they do have the option of a bench seat. If you'd like to see this vehicle or any other vehicle here at Toyota of Bourbonnais, please contact Janelle. My cell phone number is 815-791-8680.